Gorillatag, why? Okay, a new flashback sale is in Gorillatag right now. It's the rain update flashback sale. And this is the start to where my cosmetics are not gonna be rare anymore. My guitars, my egg, all the summer cosmetics I have. Alright, nothing else to say. Let's just dive into the video. See blue dot. No. No flashback sale sign. Alright. Rainy day cosmetics are back. Jump in and let the world see your unique rainy fashion. Stay dry, stay selfish, and have a blast with the rainy day items. The rain will not last forever. And neither will the items. Bruh. No. No! Why are they in the middle? Why? Why? This does look cool and all, but why? My egg. Oh, it's 2000 now. The boots are back. Everything's back. Nothing. Like, just everything's back. Everything, bro. Come on. What the Yo, what the? Bro, my arm. What was that for? Golden umbrella. What can we see in here? Is that the dungeon update? What the Yo! That's the dungeon update. What the hell? This one. Oh, I like it. They added buttons. Or is that already there? Oh, the coat. And my egg. Why did they add my egg? Oh, the boots. And the golden boots. Well, that sucks. They added these ones back. I'm gonna buy the black umbrella. I have 1,700 left. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and follow my TikTok, and see y'all later.